Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I feel like it's finally time to let you in a little secret that will help you make some really serious money. Of course, having cool strategies and experience is the key to success, but do you know what's equally important? Motivation. And what's the best way to stay motivated by setting the right goals that really matters to us? So today marks it for the beginners of our journey to success. I'm going to tell you about the most awesome way to make money online, especially on the QUOTEX platform. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we're beginning this trading session. And as you can see, I'm starting today with 10 bucks in my balance. I use the Bollinger Bands indicator and RSI. And yes, let's really find an awesome entry point for our first trade. I want to switch to the first currency pair. Well, I see a pretty good situation here. We can notice that the Bollinger Bands, the price is at the lower level, so the resistance level also, and that's why it's 10 bucks. Okay, trade up, let's go. Alright guys, my first profit. As you can see, I didn't make much money, only 8 bucks. But now I want to turn to the targets for our trading session today. So my goal is to earn enough for a luxurious vacation at a hotel with a wellness concept. Think about spa treatments, healthy eating, fitness classes, and like. I just want to relax and pamper myself with all kinds of massages. I had my eye on this particular spot of Borgo Santo Pietro, and who knows, maybe next episode I'll be broadcasting right from the bathtub. Well, you're looking forward to this kind of concepts, aren't you? Then give this video a like, and maybe, just maybe, I'll release this dream into reality. Now, the room I have my eye on costs almost 4,000 bucks for 3 nights. Well, that's enough time to properly relax and get away from the daily hustle and bustle. So let's budget next to 750 bucks for the flight, cab, and all those little extras. So our goal is about $5,000. That's 4,750 bucks. Well guys, great, let's keep going. We have the hard road ahead of us as we started with a small amount. Well, I want to move on to the second currency pair, the euro and the US dollar. It's a pretty good situation again. We can see that there's a little flat here, but here I want to invest again my whole deposit and open the trade down. Let's go. And guys, another point of entry. As you can see, my balance is slowly but growing. We can see that the price has reached the upper line of the Bollinger Bands, and the RSI almost reached the 70 mark, indicating a reversal. Also guys, I want to point out here is rather strong resistance level, which the price has reached for the third time, and that's why my trade was down here. I had no doubts that this trade would be non-win, so I bet my entry deposit. Well folks, let's continue the trading session. Let's see what's happening on third currency pair. And we can see a global upward trend here. All levels are broken, and you know, on this uptrend I still want to try to open a trade down. Let's go. And guys, look, even though the price changed slightly, I still managed to make my profit. Again, an awesome result. Yes, it was quite risky to open a trade in this volatile market, but still I managed to get my profit. I already have 64 bucks in my balance, and it's a little more than 1% of the amount I need. I already have, so let's move on to this currency pair. And guys, on this currency pair I see an equal great situation, but we can see flat here. I'd like to add that the price is at the resistance level. Well, that's why I want to invest 60 bucks here and trade down. Let's go. And guys, another entry point that thanks to this strategy has increased my deposit, and I'm one step closer to resting. I would like to point out that price is at the upper Bollinger Bands line, and that's why my trade was up here. Well guys, 80% payout on this currency pair is pretty much a no-brainer. Well, I suggest you add some more currency pairs with good payout percentages. Of course, we're going to fix them, so let's see what's going on here. And yes, I want to catch this downward movement in time. Well, hence the 110 bucks, straight down, let's go. And awesome guys, another cool entry point. I already have 200 bucks in my balance. Well, my balance getting bigger and bigger every time. Well, that's why I decided to choose currency pairs with good percentage payouts. And I'd like to draw your attention that here also, according to our trading session, all conditions are met. The candlestick has reached the upper Bollinger Bands line, and according to the RSI has almost reached the 70 mark, and the price is looking down. Well, that's why my trade was down here. Pretty simple, you'd agree. Well, let's see what's going on there. Alright, again, I want to catch this moment. I noticed the level of support here. The price has also reached the lower Bollinger Bands line. Well, 200 bucks, trade up, let's go. And guys, great, exactly 400 bucks in my balance sheet. We've already earned 10% of the amount I need. And you know, I'm walking around daydreaming and imagining myself lounging in the spa. Well guys, I want to go to the first currency pair, New Zealand and Canadian dollars. Well, I see an equally cool situation on this currency pair. We see that the general trend is a downtrend, and we can see that the price has reached the resistance level. So 400 bucks, trade down, let's go. And guys, another point of entry. Again, we can notice that the price has reached the upper Bollinger Bands line. RSI is near the 70 mark. Well, that's why my trade was down here. Quite a simple strategy on QUOTEX, but quite effective. And guys, I want to remind you about my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description below this video. There are absolutely free trading signals that will allow you to capitalize on your dreams, and a lot of useful information about trading and binary options. And all you need to do is follow the link in the description below this video, join my community and make money. So now I want to switch to a second currency pair for euro and dollar. It has a good payout percentage, 93%, and I want to open a trade up here. Well, as I think the price will continue its upward movement, 700 bucks, trade up, let's go. And guys, I'm back in the black. This is the first 1,000 bucks on my balance sheet. You gotta admit, that's pretty cool. Do you think I can really make $4,000, almost 5,000 bucks? Well, by the way, I think you guys have noticed that I haven't had a single lost trade yet. So all because I analyze the charts very carefully and my entry points are very effective. So let's find another entry point on this euro and Canadian dollar currency pair. We can see that the uptrend continues here, but I want to delete this currency pair as it's very dangerous to work for it. So let's see what's going on there. Yeah guys, it's a great situation again. The price is level on resistance and therefore $1,000, trade down, let's go. Yeah guys, another entry point. I have already earned almost half of it, but you may notice that I have enough for the tickets at least. Well, let's go ahead with this trading session and really make a nice, rather solid amount of money. Well, let's analyze this graph again. I want you to note here the resistance level which the price has reached for the third time. Look, there it is. Price touched first time, second time, and now the price is at that level. Well, that's why my trade was down here. I want to tell you that it's important to consider not only what the indicators show you, but also consider technical analysis. Well guys, the first currency pair, euro and Brazilian real, and what do you see here? Alright, we can see that here the price is trading flat, but a small upward price channel is formed here. Well, that's why I want to try to open a trade up. Let's go. Well, as you can see, this is my first loss, and I just lost 1,000 bucks. Right, that's half my deposit, which was, but I think we'll still have time to earn our money. Well, I want to see the situation on this currency pair, and guys, on this currency pair we can see that the overall trend is an uptrend, but I see that the price is approaching the resistance level. By our indicator we can see that the price has almost reached the 70 mark, and that's why my trade will be down here. Let's go. Holy shit, guys, just imagine. I managed to get back the amount I just lost. Alright, again, 2,000 bucks in my balance. Alright, let's get on this with trading session. And I think it's a great time to remind you about my Telegram channel, where, by the way, you can find a lot of useful information about trading and binary options, as well as absolutely free trading signals. So join my community and we continue. Well guys, let's move on to the New Zealand and Canadian dollar currency pair. What do we see here? Right, we see that the general trend here is also a downtrend, but I want to point out that a small support level has formed here, and that's why I want to open a trade up. Let's go. And folks, another regular profit. Yes, you may notice that the closing price and the opening price differed slightly, but I still managed to make the profit. And 1 minute was enough. Agree, this is really very simple strategy to earn my vacation money. What I would also like to point out is that the QUOTEX offers quite a wide list of currency pairs with good payout percentages. Well, that's why I recommend you to trade especially on QUOTEX. Well, you know, I wanted a few more currency pairs. Let it be the American dollar and the Indian rupee. Okay, for some reason, QUOTEX won't let me add this currency pair. Alright, let's take a look at what's going on here. And yes, you can notice the price has pushed back from the level. I think it will continue its downward movement and therefore trade down. Let's go. And yes guys, it's great. Look, I've accomplished the goal. I have 4,847 bucks in my balance. But what do you think of my results? Let me remind you, I started trading with only 10 bucks. So look at the amount I was able to achieve. Well guys, now of course the best part. Let me go to the website, pick the dates that suit me and book my room. There it is, my beauty. Alright, now I press book and voila, vacation, here I come. That's what it's all about. I invite you to try my goal setting method. What an awesome money making strategy. Also invite more friends to my channels, because the more of us there, the bigger and more successful our community can be. Bye bye my traders, see you on my Telegram, love you all, bye bye.